In order to add a new customer in the CDD database of the software, click on the icon to add CDD, which is located at the left side of the home page. Next, click on the Customer Due Diligence category section to select the category of the customer. You may then proceed to fill up the particulars of the customer in the Biodata of Customer section. Alternatively, you may also upload the particulars of the customer directly from the customer's identity card by using the IC card reader. Click Next to proceed with Customer Risk Profiling. Select the option Yes or No to fill up the details in the Risk Profiling section. Finally, click Submit to add the new customer in the CDD database.